lower back is usually the first thing to tell you that your mattress has given up the ghost. It is a specific kind of ache that ruins your entire morning and makes you question every life choice you made the night before. When a bed with a $2,000 price tag starts getting a lot of buzz in every sleep circle, I have to know if it actually lives up to that cost or if it is just clever marketing. This specific latex hybrid model is fascinating because it skips the whole bed-in-a-box trend entirely. Most companies just drop a heavy, rolled-up plastic tube on your porch and leave you to struggle with it. This brand actually sends a team of professionals to your house. They do all the heavy lifting for you. They set the bed up in your room and even haul away your old, dusty mattress. That kind of service is a massive relief if you live alone or just hate moving heavy furniture. Now, the actual build quality is where things get interesting for people who care about materials. The main comfort layer is 3 inches of specialty latex. This material is naturally bouncy and very durable. They perforated the latex with tiny holes to encourage constant airflow. This is a game changer if you tend to overheat during the night. Standard foam often acts like a heat sponge, but this latex stays remarkably cool. Surrounding that latex are layers of organic cotton and wool. These are not just buzzwords thrown onto a label. They have the top-tier organic certifications to prove they are free from harmful chemicals. Underneath those natural materials, you find a coil system with 5 distinct zones. The coils are stiffer in the middle to support your lumbar region and softer near the head and feet. This keeps your spine in a neutral position, which is the holy grail of sleep health. The edge support is also top-notch. You can sleep right up to the very side of the mattress without feeling like you are going to roll off onto the rug. However, we have to talk about the potential deal breaker. This mattress only comes in one firmness level. It is definitely on the firmer side of medium. If you are a lightweight person or if you strictly sleep on your side, this bed might feel like a literal rock. It does not have that deep, cloud-like sink that some people crave. There is no soft version to choose from. It is built for people who want to feel like they are floating on top of the bed rather than sinking into it. You get a full year to test it out in your own home, which is incredibly generous. Just remember that if you return it, they charge a $99 fee to cover the transport. For stomach sleepers and back sleepers who want an eco-friendly setup that will not trap heat, this is one of the most solid builds on the market. It feels premium, it smells clean, and it supports your body exactly where it needs to. If you need something with more cushion, you should probably check out other natural options instead. This is a heavy-duty, high-quality piece of furniture that knows exactly who it is for. It is an investment in your health that pays off every single morning when you wake up without that nagging pain in your spine. Simple as that.